Hello everyone. Let's look at today's Leetcode problem 3442. Maximum difference between even and odd frequency 1. Before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. Move at your pace, but keep moving forward. So, it is always important to never compare others, and we should always focus on our goals and the things that we do every day. Reduce pressure, avoid burnout by focusing on your learning rhythms and learning patterns like when you study or what time you are interested. So focus on persistency, coming back daily, which compounds to big results. Build confidence every step forward, no matter how small the growth is. Okay, so let us understand the problem statement. Your given a string is consisting lowercase English letters. Your task is to find maximum difference such that frequency of a of I, a of 2, a of I has an odd frequency and even this has even frequency. Return the maximum difference. So for example, here let's say there is a character string that is given as this, and A and B are two characters where A has uh, a frequency of 5 while B has a frequency of 2 and C has a frequency of 1, which is odd. A which has 5, which is the odd value, and B which is 2 is the even value. So we need to calculate difference between even and odd. So the difference here is 3. Similarly, in another string, if we see, there is this string given which is ABC, ABC, AB. So A is occurring 3 times and C is occurring 2 times, right? So all the other characters are occurring 3 times. B is also occurring 3 times. A or B is occurring 3 times, so we can pick any of them, whichever is of highest value, and the difference between them is 1, and that's the output that we see. So this involves having to store in a map and calculating frequency of each character, and then tracking maximum odd and max even, min even. So one should be maximum and another one is min. So this is something that we need to calculate. So we can loop over all of these maps value for count in map, and if math.max for odd, max odd, and count for odd and even we calculate if odd else even will be math.min of min even comma count. Okay, so this is all the value is, and we can return a difference. After this we can return max odd minus min even. So the time complexity here would be O of n, and space complexity would be 1. So that's the whole time and space complexity. Let's look at how, let's implement the code and let's quickly try completing the solution. Okay, this should complete our solution. Let's quickly try submitting the solution and let's see. Okay, as you can see, the solution gets submitted. Time complexity would be O of n, where n is the number of characters in the string is, and space complexity would be 1 or constant. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you.